we go. Oh man, dude. I've been waiting all year to do that. Let's get started.
Perfect.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kevlar82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, dude, I'm going to be helping you guys out, getting you prepared for the 2020 KDM Cruise. As you can see behind you, the Batmobile has a little addition. That's right, dude. It's the official KDM Cruise logo, dude. So this video is gonna prep you guys for the cruise, dude. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna give you guys some of the turns, some of the GoPro footage. I've been working with my my new GoPro Hero 7 Black, dude, getting a feel for it and get ready for the cruise. I'm gonna take you through a small little introduction and put Instagrams for the organizers and for the group leaders, dude. That's right. So a lot of those cars you guys have been seeing on social media through KDM Cruise, and just a lot of KDMs that you see out there with the KDM Cruise logo, the posters and everything like that. You're gonna get to see who's gonna be helping hold things down for this year's cruise. So for the ones that didn't make it, I will put photos at the end of the little cinematic video. I'm gonna run real quick, so we're gonna take you through the cinematic video, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump into the cruise portion, and let's go ahead and get started, man. So I can show you some of the other cars. There goes Dynaco. Get back in for a second. So that's basically on the day of the cruise. Just know that you guys stay in the path. You'll see my car moving, but don't follow me because I'll be shooting the video and my wife will be doing photography. So just know that even though I'm an organizer, I'm still not a group leader. That's what my other guys are for that I introduced to. So just give you guys some pointers and some tips ahead of time, you know what I mean? You guys are getting a little preview, you know, for now. So here we go, here's the beginning. So yeah, we're taking it easy. This is the practice cruise. And just always be mindful. Try not to tailgate the guy in front of you because you never know what could happen in a split second. So be careful. Safety first all the time. And also be careful with the blind corners, meaning stay on your side of the road. If you're not sure, if you think it's you're too close to the railing or something, just slow down a little bit more. But do not cross the double lines on those blind corners. Do not cross the double lines, period. Obviously, you don't want to have a head-on collision. But these blind corners, what you guys really need to be careful of, is because you never know if there's another car on the opposite side when you're coming around that corner. So these are all things that most of you guys might know. You know, I'm just, you know, saying, reminding you, that's all. Ooh, those views. I'm not gonna give you guys too much. I'm gonna give you a little bit, but we're gonna save all the extra awesome stuff for the actual cruise. Just gotta give you guys a small taste, little appetizer. This video is an appetizer. And always be careful and mindful of cyclists. We have some cyclists on the right hand side, so shaky right there. This right here is one of my favorite views from the cruise. You guys seen it in the previous years, coming through these two tall rocks on each side, and then you see the water on the opposites right here. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Guys, some views on views, baby. All right, so this right here is a prime example of one of the things I want to do this vlog for, and that's safety, cops, and pedestrian traffic. You got to be mindful of all of your surroundings. You see that? I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, so to be mindful of all your surroundings, especially on PCH. There's a lot of pedestrian traffic. You see all these people over here? Sometimes people will jump out of you, they'll stop their car literally in the middle just to try to get a parking space. So when rolling down PCH, enjoy the views, but also be very careful, man. Do not tailgate your fellow drivers, because you never know what some road construction and stuff that might be happening up ahead. And just always be ready to brake. Don't ever punch it too hard and get too close to the person in front of you. Practicing doing that so I can get shots of you guys' cars, you know. So I might drop back or move up at any given moment, only when it's safe to merge. So that's what's good about this practice cruise, is it gives me a chance to practice. Ooh, and then there's always some nice cars in the area too. Give me a chance to practice how I'm gonna shoot you guys' cars, whatever, with the GoPro. I think it's crazy. My homie Zach Dynaco, the one in front of me, make sure you guys check out my YouTube video, Genesis Scoop Build Breakdown First Car, where we talk about his mods and I go for a ride along. That thing's a beast. I love it. Bagged out, good setup, good fitment. So yeah, check it out. I'm gonna be moving around, baby. So yeah, just you guys be courteous. If you see me coming through on your left, keep your eye on if I put on my turn signal. If I put on my turn signal, then I need you guys to let me in, all right? So watch out for the Batmobile. Gonna be filming you. All right, so quick side note, going downhill, you guys don't roast your brakes and end up with brake fade. You use a little bit of engine braking. You don't have to engine brake too much. You don't put too much strain on your motor. What engine braking is using a lower gear to slow your car down a little bit, you know? But you want to find that balance of engine braking and actually using your brakes. You don't want to engine brake too hard. And, you know, I don't know, here's our next turn as I'm blabbering on. So you don't want to put too much strain on your motor. I don't know the health of your motor, but find a balance between engine braking and use your actual brakes. You don't want to, like I said, you don't want to roast your brakes and get brake fade and put everybody in danger. Yeah. There we go. Oh man, dude, I've been waiting all year to do that. All right, you guys, so it finally happened. I tested how long my GoPro would last, and we basically exit the canyon. I'm using my cell phone right now, and we're gonna turn right here on Pacific Coast Highway. We're going right back the way we came. So that's gonna pretty much conclude it. If I want to add any more little things, I will. But I'm driving with one hand right now. Woo! So basically this taught me a lot about how long the battery on the GoPro lasts and how I need to turn it off in between shots and change the battery on each stop that we make. So I learned a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is gonna pretty much conclude it for now, unless I add some more clips, because we're basically going back the way we came. Pretty simple. And then there's a cop right over there, so keep your eye out for those guys and try not to make too much noise, okay? So I gotta go before I get in trouble for holding this cell phone. All right, so as the cruise ends at the very end, this is the Target parking lot right here. Instead of meeting here at the end, we're gonna meet across the street. So as you can see, right across the street, we're gonna pull in, and I'm gonna show you a little shopping center with food restaurants and stuff like that. And there we go. So this is the shopping center we're gonna pull into, and there's the peeps. So yeah, hope this helps you guys out, man. I hope you guys are entertained. Give you guys a little snippet, bite of what's to come, and everybody drive safe, and I'll see you out there. Wrap up the video. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Had a good time prepping for the cruise, man. Just to let you guys know, please follow those tips and tricks I was giving you guys about safety, man, because we want everybody to drive safe, not get into trouble, not get pulled over. We don't want anything happen to pedestrians. So safety first above all, dude. And we'll see you guys at the cruise, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. It's been a long day helping plan for the cruise and organizing it with my fellow organizers. Shout out to everybody that helped out. Make sure you follow those Instagrams that you've seen in the video, and we'll see you guys out there. Just remember, as I say in the end of all my videos, I always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kevin 82 TV. Peace.